to replace your old tub with a new shower. But you don't want the hassle or the worry of getting it finished. You just want to pick a style and relax, knowing that it'll be wonderful when it's done.
This god I met recently.
No, actually it's not.
After I first saw him in September.
Call us or visit WeBack.com and save $500 on your tub or shower update. Have you thought about your final wishes? So many people from all different backgrounds.
Right after the Merno arc, I got to see this. I got to see this guy in act. I got to see this guy as the first god of Universe 13.
Affordable creation services of New York. Affordable, simple, dignified. Call today.
So here is our first update from inside the courtroom in Wilmington.
Tonight we're going to draw God Lord Reno.
Has pleaded not guilty on all 3 charges.
After we saw the top 5 strongest, we saw this god as a upcoming return favorite. I always knew that one of the 18 gods would be a rhinoceros. Lord Reno first appeared after Moro's defeat. After the Super Dragon, after Android 17 wished for all the universes to come back, Lord Reno returns, along with everyone else.
We expected a quick proceeding, and it lasted for hours when the plea deal fell apart.
There we are.
There's also this scary road rage incident now in Philadelphia.
Now we draw this part here. Here are the abs.
You can see a gun fall out of the attacker's pants as he jumped off the car. That's on screen right now. The victim's children were in the back seat of the car, but they somehow, blessedly, were not injured by all the broken glass. That motorcyclist also headbutted the woman with his helmet and then pointed a gun in her face. No arrest has yet been made.
It's my expectation that some of these
Here's the belt.
I do want to be clear, though. There's actually very few of these.
I've been told that there's going to be another event involving this guy.
Make sure that we do individual justice in each one of these cases. So there's the DA. That's Larry Krasner in Philadelphia says he will individually
Lord Reno is known.
charges against every person arrested in that city's mass looting incident.
Lord Reno is one of the
70 taken into custody.
gods who knows how to use, well, whatever Lord Lakir, Belmont, or Barris has. Oh, and by the way, after Merno, he was entrusted with another angel, which I'll draw after this.
So far, 67 adults, 5 juveniles face serious charges. Authorities tell us most of these people arrested, though, are between 18 and 25 years old. Police are working to find all of the people responsible for organizing this chaos that started on social media with some messages. We know one social media influencer was charged with 6 felonies after she live-streamed that looting, but hey, she's already out on bail. Take a look here. This is that new video that's been released by Philadelphia police this week. It shows groups targeting the Apple store and the Target. You can see them ramming their carts through and breaking the glass. That's in the city center. It's a nice area in downtown Philly, not where most of the crime usually happens here, but the local businesses were also hit hard. People who live here tell us, hey, I want to see tough penalties for these looters. They believe the Philly DA, Larry Krasner,
There we are.
Let's take a listen.
I feel like we have done justice this time, and we did justice in the past when there was
There he is.
There's people smashing windows and going into properties that are, for the most part,
That's how you draw Lord Reno.
burglary. You're talking about criminal trespass.
Don't you worry, guys.
Investigation continues. Bill, more arrests could be coming in this case.
It doesn't stop there.
McAdams in Philly, thank you for that. Julie.
Right back to this one of our other top stories. 9-year-old Charlotte Senna is home now.
Why don't we draw that angel that was with him back in the
Saturday, police
manga that we saw?
the ransom note at her home. Investigators then traced the fingerprints back to the suspect's RV, where Senna herself was found stashed inside a cupboard. So let's bring in host of crime stories on Fox Nation, Nancy Grace. Nancy, take a look at this. This is a full-screen picture we got now of this massive search party that was underway, spread out across 47 square miles. It's notable because undoubtedly getting that many people involved can be helpful in an investigation like this. What do you think now of questions about a potential connection between the family and the suspect?
What we are hearing is that there is no connection between the suspect and Charlotte Senna's family. This guy, Craig Ross Jr., age 46, was found in a camper parked in his mother's backyard. Now, this is what we know. We know that the home, property records reveal a home in his name is just 0.8 of a mile from the Senna family home. We know that the camper where Charlotte was found with him in the camper is about 13 miles away from the Senna home. It's all about 19 miles from the state park, Monroe State Park. What does that tell me? That tells me he had been stalking the family home.
Here we are.
It's not just a coincidence.
Here's your
that this house
special
is
staff.
from the Senna family home in his name, and he happens to
What can I say?
this little girl.
When I
He had been watching her.
draw gods of destruction, I treat them with respect.
That Charlotte may have thought she recognized him or had seen him in the neighborhood before. Not to know him. Like, you see the same checkout guy at the grocery store every time you go. You know him to see him, but you don't know him. This is telling me
And done. That's how I draw Lord Reno, along with his angel partner. Anyhow, there you have it. That's how you draw Lord Reno. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what god you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And I promise there's going to be more like this coming your way.